It is nice weather today, Dr. Shake. Indeed it is. How's your study? I was studying about lubricants, and I have a question. May I? Sure, please. How one can select lubricants for refrigeration? Well, so simple. You tell me, would you prefer to use lubricants which keep on giving lubricating action even at lower temperature, or get frozen? Obviously the lubricant which remain in liquid state and keep on giving lubricating action. Very well said, Nikhil. So oils with low pour point, low viscosity and low cloud point are used as lubricants for refrigeration system. Thank you very much. Well, what about gears? What type of lubricants be used in gears? Very good question, Nikhil. Now please tell me, do you agree? Gears are subjected to very high pressure and loads? Certainly yes. Very good. So to withstand such a high pressure, lubricant must have good oiliness, good load carrying capacity, good resistance to oxidation, and should not be removed by centrifugal force from the point or place of application. I got it, sir. Thick mineral lubricating oils with additives such as metallic soaps and compounds containing chlorine, sulfur, phosphorus are most suitable for use in gears. Okay. Also, greases and blended thick oils are most suitable to be used as lubricants for high pressure and low speed, such as rail axle boxes, tractor roller, wire ropes, etc. That's interesting. Would you like to comment on lubricants to be used in cutting tools? Oh, why not? Since we have seen in the previous lectures, in various mechanical operations such as milling, threading, boring, the tools get heated to a very high temperature at the cutting edge. This may lead to oxidation and rusting. In order to prevent overheating, emulsions of oil and water are employed, which are called cutting emulsions. Oh, got it. Oil has good lubricating properties and water is an excellent cooling medium. Hence, combination of two provides both lubricating and cooling effects. So both oil and water, or water and oil, emulsions can be used for cutting tools. Thank you very much, Dr. Chase. See you in the class, sir.